Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I got this smoky eye look. This is kind of like a makeup for fall or like Halloween or just a night out. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
Bitch, fuck, gotta make it real. Bitch, fuck, gotta make it real. Bitch, fuck, gotta make it real. Bitch, give a fuck, gotta make it real. Bitch, fuck, gotta make it, fuck, gotta make it, fuck, gotta make it, fuck, gotta make it clap like you got the right, make it got the.
Okay, so I started out with my eyebrows already done. I did that off camera. I also have a eyebrow tutorial up. If you guys want to see that, you can watch that video. But for now, I am going in with the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the color work, and I'm just going to apply that to my crease. Then I am going to be going in with my Morphe 35B palette, and this is pretty much one of my favorite palettes. I always use it in all my videos, and I'm going to be using that last shadow in the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth line. The fourth line? No, the last shadow in the fourth column. Yeah, the last shadow in the fourth column going down. And I'm just gonna put that over the eyeshadow work.
I might have to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends.
Now I'm going to be going back in with my Violet Voss Like a Boss eyeshadow palette again, and this time I will be going in with the shade Hustle, and I'm going to be blending out the outer corners of the crease that I just did. Okay, so I realized that the crease wasn't as shadowy as I wanted it to, so then I ended up going back in with the same shade that I used from the Morphe 35B palette. I used that shade, I used like a dark purple shade, and then I used black. So I mixed all three to put on my eyes to get that shadowy effect, because it wasn't going towards like a smoky look before, and I wanted it to be a little bit darker. So then I ended up going back in with all three. Yeah, see right here, I'm showing you the ones that I used. And I mixed all three, and that's what I put on my eyelids to give it that smoky effect. That same pink shadow from the 35B palette, and I'm just blending out everything, and then I'm going to be adding my lashes. And the lashes that I'm wearing today is from my lash line, and it is in the style Lilting. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video, and then I'll come back when it's almost at the end. I won't be talking through the foundation part because I feel like I kind of, spoke. Like every video that I do with the makeup, I kind of talk about the foundation. So I won't be doing that right now. The only difference that I used in this video is that my Laura Mercier my Laura Mercier's the setting powder was finished, so I ended up using my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. That's the only difference, but for the rest of it, it's pretty much the same thing. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the video, and then I'll come back if I need to talk about anything else. Also, while y'all are here, do not forget to subscribe. Click that notification button so you guys can get all the notifications of when I post a video, and so you guys are always up to date on everything that I post. Okay? Yeah.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
For my under eyes, I went in with the three colors that I blended to get the smoky effect on my eyelids. I blended those three and smoked out under my eyes, so the bottom part would have the smoky effect as well.
Walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit.
Okay, so this I didn't end up using this lip look because I didn't like it. So you're going to see me like wiping it off in like a few seconds because I didn't like it. I didn't like the way how it looked. So I was just like, no. it was, I don't know, it was the lip thing that I use, the it's like a matte lipstick, and it was not, like, it was cracking up. I don't know, I hated it, so I didn't end up using this one. I ended up changing it to a different lip look because I didn't like that one. As you can see, it started peeling off, and I was just like, no way, not today. So I ended up changing it anyways. We have came to the end of the video. I just popped on my wig and my do-rag, and that's the look. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comments down below so I could know what videos you guys want me to post. Okay, thank you guys again, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.
Make it got it right, make it clap like you got it right, make it got it right.